Hey everyone, today in this video we're going to review ROO versus Continue Dev. So which platform is best in this year? So AI coding tools are becoming more advanced in helping developers save time by writing and explaining, improving their code. Two newer tools gaining attention are ROO Code and Continue Dev. Both aim to support developers in different ways, but their focus and approach are not the same. So ROO Code is built as a coding assistant that works directly in the editor. It is designed to understand project context and provide relevant code completion, explanations, and refactoring suggestions. ROO Code allows developers to interact with an AI in natural language, making it feel like a partner rather than a simple autocomplete tool. One of its strongest points is that it can handle multi-files reasoning, which is helpful for large projects. Developers like that it reduces repetitive tasks and improves productivity. Since it is relatively new, ROO code is still growing, but it offers flexibility and strong customization for different coding styles. Continue, also known as Continue Dev AI, is an open source coding copilot that allows works inside the code editor. Its main appeal is that developers can integrate their own large language models or APIs, which makes it highly customizable. Continue support code generation, debugging, and explanations, while giving developers control over the AI they use. This openness makes it popular among developers who value flexibility and want to experiment with different models. Overall, ROO Code is ideal for developers who want a strong AI coding partner focused on productivity inside the editor, while Continue is best for those who want an open source freedom and control over how their AI coding assistant works. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.